Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your project files with Basecamp detailed guide step by step clearly. To protect your project files using Basecamp, start by logging into your Basecamp account. Navigate to the specific project you want to secure. Once in the project, access the Files section located in the toolbar. Review the files currently uploaded to ensure everything you want to protect is present. Click on the file you wish to secure. In the File Details view, locate the Settings option. From the Settings menu, find the Privacy section. Select the option that restricts access to only team members. For added security, consider enabling the File Password Protection feature if available. Now, return to the project main page and look for the Team section. Review the members who have access to the project. Remove any users who should not have access to sensitive files or information. Next, restrict editing permissions by going to the Settings tab. Under Permissions, adjust settings to limit file editing privileges as needed. Consider utilizing project templates to standardize file organization and access in future projects. Regularly audit project access and permissions to ensure ongoing file security. Stay informed about Basecamp updates that may enhance file protection features. By following these steps, you can effectively protect your project files in Basecamp. Implementing these measures will help safeguard your work from unauthorized access. Make it a habit to review file security periodically for continuous protection. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.